Check this out. I caught all these big fish on pieces of my pepperoni sandwich. In other words, mini pepperoni sandwiches. Check this out. It's incredible. Yeah, it all starts off with a pack of Mission soft flour tortillas. Super soft. Like 'em fresh. And a pack of ordinary pepperoni. That's the cheapest brand that they got. We're going to make some pepperoni sandwiches for fish. Yeah, watch and see. So I got pepperonis all on the super soft tortilla shell from Mission, of course. I'm going to put the lid on there. Give it a smashy. And I'm going to cut it up in little pieces with a pair of scissors. Little sandwich sized pieces. And tomorrow morning we're going to go fishing with them. Might eat one. Who knows? This first one's gone to the fish. One of these days I'm going to fall in out there. Go out there, show people shit. At any rate, good morning world, good morning. Let's get this pepperoni sandwich ready to go. I'm going to put this little tiny circle hook through it twice. I'm using high vis braided line, 20-pound test. And I think it's 17-pound fluorocarbon leader. And the ittiest bittiest circle hook you ever saw. There we go. I got one. Come here, you. Feels like he's pulling pretty good. Oh, yeah. That's what we're here for. There it is. The shore shell crackle, huh? Also known as red ear sunfish. Alright, where's my fish outers? Here they are. He's a grody fish. Don't look too healthy yet. Oh. Get rid of him quick like a bunny. Alright, so that didn't take long. I missed them 3 times and they finally got the pepperoni and ate it. And munched that sandwich down to just a little bite. Yes, applause for me. World's greatest fisherman on this dock. Probably. Maybe. Maybe. Alright, see. Get a little stealthy with the hooks here. See if we can get a little better hookup. Still my little sandwich. Pepperoni. And Mission soft tortilla shells. For sure. It's in the water. It's sinking. It's gone down, down. Little doggy boy. Oh, there we go. Whoa. This one's pulling. That might be a kitty cat. What we got there? No. Oh, it's a shell cracker. Nice one. Oh, he's fat. That one's a lot more healthy than the other one. Let's see here. So, what do you think? Do you think they like pepperoni sandwiches? That's a good looking fish. I think so. It's about a pounder. Probably go 11 inches, huh? I'm thinking it's tasty fish. Oh, you know it's a shell cracker. Man, can they dive? Oh, yes, sir. All right, we got another little pepperoni sandwich. Everybody's going to be fishing with pepperoni sandwiches after this hits the air. But we're live right now. It's not Saturday night. It's fishing. Got him. Look him bend that rod. Whoa. Oh, that's a nice one. You can still see the pepperoni sticking out of his mouth. They love it. I knew it. I knew it. That's another one you can chalk up to back porch fishing show. Uh-oh. he didn't want to let go. So, please just give me the pepperoni. Whoa, that was the quickest pike turn 1.5 somersault I ever saw. And I tell you what, look at that. The bait's still on there. Watch this. Bingo! Oh, God. Man, they love these things. This has got to be the best bait in the world. Uh-oh, that wasn't a very good dive, mister. Man, they love these pepperonis. It's insane. Ah, let's put a bigger piece on there. Look at that. There's two little pieces of pepperoni. You think they like pepperoni? Watch this. Okay, it's in the water. Sinking, sinking. I got him. There he is. Who's the greatest fisherman in the world? I don't know. It's probably not me. But you can watch my show for free. Oh, look at that. Now you can tell that's a shell cracker because of the way they can dive. Look at that. I still got the pepperoni on there. Oh, not anymore. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, huh? There's some sizable fish popping in there. There went mine. They didn't take it. They whacked it. They're whacking it again. Whacked it again. Whacked it again. Wait, wait. They got it? I think so. Something gobbling it. Yeah, yeah. There we go. I got him. I got him. He took a, I think it might be a catfish. It's not a real big one if it is. What do we got? No, it's shell cracker. Now that's a good sized shell cracker. He's chumming the water. He's barfing up his whole guts. Look at, oh, he bends that rod. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that rod, man. It is totally doubled over. That's the biggest one of the day. Wow. Look at that. Hopefully he cleared his stomach contents. Let's get a look at this one. We'll bring it up to the, maybe I'll fall in camera. I don't know when it's turning or not, but you can see it when it does. And man, that is a whopper of a shell cracker. You see the gold band on top of his head. He took a huge sandwich. I mean, it was finger size. I just let him run with it. Hey, hey, mellow, mister. I'm gonna let you go. Well, that wasn't a very good dive. He must have been a retardo. He was a El Retardo. Boink, boink. Tick, tick, tick. What goes tick, tick, tick? I hooked it. Whatever goes tick, tick, tick. Who we got? Chip cracker. That's a pretty good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can't see the monitor. Oh, he took that deep. Took it deep. Bad girl. All right, open up. Let's hope we get it out of there. Oh, he was just holding on to it. I don't even think he was hooked. He liked that pepperoni sandwich so much that he just held on to it the whole time. If you can believe that. Well, peck, peck, peck. Come on, I want womp, womp, womp. I don't want peck, peck, peck. Ah, come on. Hit it and get it. Get it and hit it. It's been a pretty good trip, even though it was just 2 feet outside of the hatch cover. Pretty good trip. Oh, there we go. I got a nice one. Channel cat. Big one. Whoa. Man, oh, man, oh, man. Oh. Motorboating across the top of the water. He is not happy about this at all. Now he's just staying down. What we got there? Oh boy. Oh, well, that's not a channel cat. That's a bullhead. Hmm. About a 6 pound, 7 pound bullhead. Hopefully he won't bust the line. Or not bust the line, but shake that little hook. There he is. Oh, that's a big bullhead, isn't it? Yeah. Hooked in the whisker. We'll call him Mr. Whisker. Mr. Whisker. Look at that. And the mouth on that thing. Let's take it up to the front camera. And you can look at the mouth on that thing. It's a bullhead, believe it or not. Bet he weighs 5, 6 pounds. Boy, oh boy. Oh, did you hear that? Woohoo!